Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Odsiikly outdoor swing cushion, specifically the 55-inch model. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor seating comfort, stick around because we'll cover everything you need to know about this product. The Odsiikly outdoor swing cushion is designed for durability and comfort. It's a 55-inch bench cushion made from high-quality polyester fabric, known for its water-resistant properties and UV protection. Ideal for three-seater swings, this cushion is filled with premium PP cotton to provide a plush, 4-inch thick padding that enhances your sitting experience. Crafted from yarn-dyed polyester, this cushion offers excellent color retention and is resistant to fading, making it suitable for outdoor use. With its 4-inch thickness and ergonomic design, the cushion reduces discomfort from the swing's frame and enhances relaxation. While not suitable for heavy rain, it handles splashes and light showers well. Remember to bring it indoors during downpours to maintain longevity. Before making a decision, it's crucial to consider user feedback. The Odsiikly cushion has garnered positive reviews for its comfort, durability, and easy maintenance. Customers appreciate its value for money and how it enhances their outdoor lounging experience. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable and comfortable bench cushion for your outdoor swing, the Odsiikly 55-inch outdoor swing cushion is definitely worth considering. It strikes a great balance between quality, comfort, and durability, making it a top contender in its category. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've tried this cushion or if you have any questions about it. Until next time, happy shopping!